It's like 5:20. Sorry to all my grandparents and the neighbors. Oh shit, that's so fucking loud. Oh, I don't even know if some of my family knows that I'm taking out the car. Hopefully they won't wake up thinking that somebody's stealing it. Hello and welcome to today's video, and it's 6 to 6 a.m. and currently I'm going over with my brother to the Tatra Mountains to do a lap of them. We've already fueled up our car and there's about a 9-hour drive ahead of us without obviously the stops. Main purpose of the journey is just to have fun, record some stuff, and yeah, record it for YouTube also. So up ahead we have a tunnel. It's one of those tunnels that basically if you go too fast in it, it is going to give you a ticket. So let's slow down, get a downshift for a second. And so this was the tunnel. I think we are safe, no ticket for us. Very nice sound. Maybe on the way back, I'm gonna strap a GoPro to my head just to give you a better view. Some cars were up ahead, so you know, we couldn't really do what we wanted to do, but still. Check out the fog, like you cannot see anything, like it's all fogged up. I'm hoping that by the time we get down to the mountains, the fog is gonna go away, because, you know, I kind of want to get the view of the mountains, get some nice photos, videos recorded, you know, that's kind of the point of going to the mountains, apart all of the nice curvy roads, which we might hit. So yeah, I'll see you whenever we'll get somewhere closer to the mountains. So we have made it to McDonald's, and I got this all ready because I only slept like a total of 3 hours, and the last week hasn't been like the best in terms of sleep. But before we crack that open, of course we had to get some McDonald's. We got bacon toast. I'm not sure if you got it where you're at, but it's just literally bacon, cheese, and upside down hamburger bun squeezed in like a toaster or some shit. But let's get the crack. Ooh. Yeah, I love this crack in the morning. Not sure if it's just me, but like this taste of Monster, which is very toxic, it's just nice in the morning. So the plan is we're definitely gonna have to eat. It is still foggy outside. It's like really foggy. So if we're gonna go down to the mountains, it is still going to give you that nice vibe. But you know, it's better to see the mountains, and it's like -3 degrees, which I didn't expect. It wasn't meant to be -3. It was meant to be like, I think 1 or 2 degrees at the most, or at the least. And we still have to wash the car. I don't want to wash this car in a below 0 temperature weather, because I think that it's just genuinely bad for the car. So we're considering and debating whether we should wait a little for the temperature to go above 0, then go wash the car, and then go for a drive, because we do have only limited amount of time left because it gets so dark really early. So yeah, it's still something that we have to agree on. But first, So we are just at the border with Slovakia now. The car needs a bit of a wash so it looks better on photos, but the sun is up. The weather isn't looking that bad. The fog has slightly went away, but yeah, the car needs a wash. Currently we are 13 minutes away from our very first destination over on the, or past the border of Slovakia with a nice view. The fog has cleared. If you want to show the mountains, I'm not sure if they're going to be visible because of the actual sun, but the weather is looking quite promising and I'm really hoping to get some videos recorded and stock up for winter because I'm not going to be taking this car out during winter. Maybe if we do some mods, which I am ordering, and they will require us to actually take a test drive. We will only then go out when the snow will melt, but other than that the car is going to be garaged. But I have a few ideas and videos that I will make when the car is going to be garaged, so stay tuned for that. And we are just about to pull up one of the more famous spots around here with the whole mountains in the background, as you saw there just a second ago, hopefully. It's there to the right. Maybe we can find some nice cars there. It would be nice. Okay, so right off the bat, there's an R34 actually. R34, yeah? It looks like an R34. And there is a, what is it, Eclipse? Is it Eclipse? 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 Is it Eclipse? Is it? I don't know. But yeah. Not really sure what the hell is going on here, but we're about to pull up, do some photos, record some stuff. I'm already liking it. Okay, so we have literally pulled up. I'll go over the Lexus and the R34 and I think it's an Eclipse, but let's take a look at this view together at the same time because I'm actually quite curious on how this looks, because I've always seen photos of, oh, that's actually pretty nice. Let me get you a little zoom. Yeah, I mean, camera job ain't the best, but man, this view is absolutely unbelievable. Like, and it's not that far away, and it's my first time here, so yeah. So I'm gonna give you a better view right here. Let's kind of walk back and zoom in just so you can actually see the mountains better. But man, this is so unbelievably good looking. So before we will get to my car, let's check out what's already here. So man, this Lexus is literally as slammed as it gets. It looks so unbelievably good with the mountains in the background. I see it has a lot of custom interior, but we're not going to be looking into it, not to be creeps or anything, but check this out. So if I position the camera correctly and zoom in as much as I can, like so, check this out, like the views. So the color actually pops, like the white with the green background and the sun, like it hits really nicely. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same for my car, but let's take a look at the car that I'm literally the most excited and interested about, the R34. So I don't even know where to begin with this one, so let's kind of stand back and check it out from further out. Like this is absolutely unbelievably amazing. Of course, as slammed as it gets, like the exhaust is almost touching the ground, but let us take a look. We have some nice work VS's. I was debating some similar wheels for my M3, but I'm not going to slam my M3 and I'm definitely not going to bag it because I don't think it just suits the car. Or HD, but LHD is really difficult and really expensive to acquire. Got all the details, but man, it looks so unbelievably cool. Like especially the hood. I think the hood is the GTR version. I think this is a GT. We do also have this. I'm gonna give you a quick tour, a quick walk around. I think it's a Mitsubishi Eclipse, one of the older ones, but of course it's slammed. I would probably go as far as to say that those three are definitely friends, and they came here probably just to chill. But again, with the background, like, oh my god, that white paint is absolutely unbelievable. Even if I was to take this at an angle, capture all three boys and a bit of my M3, man, this is absolutely unbelievable. All right, let's go over to my M3. I think we're gonna have to move it. There are some people that parked right beside it, but I want to get a clear kind of view of my car. So yeah, let's see what can we get recorded for my Instagram and stuff. So if you don't follow me there, you can drop a follow to see all the crispy shots. So it's currently 11, we're down with the fourth spot. We were here for longer than I thought, but man, this spot is absolutely amazing. Usually there are like a lot of cars coming over for the meets and stuff. I think there's a restaurant in the back, so it'd be definitely nice to return with like a group of friends with kind of decent cars and have a nice day out, probably film this. But for the moment, we're gonna get to the second location, and we have about 13 locations, but obviously like we won't do the same thing at every single one. So let's get on our way and go to the next one. As I was recording the POV, we came across this nice Porsche 911 right there. One of the future goals for sure, and yeah, hopefully that POV drive will be nice, but a little behind the scenes of what's going on. But yeah, we're driving to the next spot, and yeah, we're hoping that there's going to be a petrol station nearby, because otherwise my brother's going to have to push the car, so hopefully that isn't going to happen. Not sure if you can see the mark on my forehead, but I've tried my best to record some POV, which I will hopefully be able to extract some nice shots from, because there were so many people in front of us and there was nobody, like literally nobody behind us. Every time I've tried stopping, just more cars kept on coming, and there was never ever anyone behind us. I think right there, like a few hundred meters behind us, is the first car that I have seen. But right now we have decided to divert off the main road to kind of drive around a more scenic route. So if you wanna show the people what are we dealing with, pretty nice. Let me know if you prefer mountains or the seaside, because I am definitely a mountains kind of person. Like, it's just so much better. Like, I like the simplicity of it and the views, and how like it's just better in terms of driving. Like, it's more scenic compared to like an ocean. So we just got done with our last location, and let me show you. So hopefully you can see this right here. There was a sunset just above those mountains. I think we got some pretty nice photos, but all that's really left to do is just to get some food. Maybe if we are going to go to the center of Zakopane, which is where we're going, we may see a nice lit up place that will essentially enable us to make some better pictures. But unless we're gonna find some like really good lighting spot like this, I really cannot wait to edit all of the footage, the photos. Hopefully this is clear and stable. I'm not the best cameraman in the world, but I'm getting there. So I'll probably see you either at the next spot if we're gonna find one, or whenever we are gonna be eating food, because I know a good pizza place that serves pizza with beef, which I really like, and I really cannot wait for it. But actually, just to show you before I leave, like, check this view out. My brother has a tighter lens. I think it's a 25-75, and my god, like, it looked absolutely unreal with his lens. But this is all I can do in terms of zoom with my lens. But this view is absolutely amazing. Like, hopefully you can see how amazing it is. Next time when we come over, we're obviously going to prepare better, but check this out. Mountains all around, and it's probably my favorite view. I don't think that there's any other view that's better compared to like mountains with a nice sunset. So again, as I've said, I'm gonna see you whenever we're gonna get some food, or next place if we are going to find one. So I bet you did not expect this video to kind of end that way. I'm gonna go over a few things, but essentially what happened was we tried to go to that pizza place, and it was a holiday weekend, so a lot of tourists came over, and it seemed like everybody just forgot how to drive, because people were going against like one-way roads. There was no way to park, and we were stuck on like a crossroad. People were kind of pulling out, even though I had the right of way, and just got kind of annoyed. So what I did was we went to Domino's. I'm not sure if I'm going to include this, but here's me with Domino's Pizza, and essentially this is how it kind of finished. We got home, we watched some videos, and yeah, we had Domino's Pizza. Now I'm kind of glad that I didn't finish the video there, because the previous video done so well. Like, I've released that other video and it has like 2,400 views like right now, which is crazy. I think it's like my first legit YouTube experience, and I don't know, like, I'm really thankful for everybody who has watched this video, liked, commented, and even subscribed. We got some good few subscribers of this video, which I'm really thankful about. So hopefully you keep enjoying the content, but essentially I need to wrap this video up. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this kind of video. It was probably one of the more fun videos to edit, or maybe even the most fun video to edit that I filmed up to date. So again, thank you for watching. Hopefully you're having a nice day, a nice weekend, and I will see you in my next one. Take care, and to the next one.